Ever wondered why Germany consistently sets the pace in the automotive world, from heritage engineering to tomorrow's mobility? Step 1. Germany's relentless pursuit of innovation is the bedrock of its automotive prowess. This isn't just about building cars, it's about building the future of transportation. Companies and the government pour billions into research and development, pushing boundaries in areas like advanced materials, intelligent systems, and enhanced safety features. Next, we look at the crucial investment in R&D. This deep commitment fuels a continuous cycle of improvement and discovery, ensuring German automakers remain at the forefront of technological advancement. Step 3. Germany's unwavering commitment to sustainable technologies is a game-changer. From pioneering electric vehicle development and battery technology to investing in efficient manufacturing processes and renewable energy sources for their factories, Germany is building eco-conscious mobility. They aren't just meeting environmental regulations. They're actively shaping a greener automotive landscape. This powerful combination of relentless innovation, significant R&D investment, and a profound dedication to sustainability is why Germany continues to lead the charge, defining progress in the global automotive industry.